country people for Mogamo, for all sides where they hear this story. The commander for Mogamo Cultural Heritage Station, where we call ourselves Merch TV. Want to throw a salute for all man way they watch this station, they subscribe them, they comment for the station. We get Tori for this money for all man for where they city with Tori house. We want tell when I say this moment where we talk so. If you want buy land for Douala, now so where you get to buy them. You want find house for stay inside for Douala, now where you get to find them. For Sika say, if you take house for Douala for dry season, no say when rainy season come, you go nya for your site. We go take when now so where they talk. We show you how small a light rain it fall for Douala this morning. Wait way rain it do for people. We did take when I saw we did gonna foster the call for Douala for Bonaberry year where this morning we I see Tori for day. You go tell when I the Tori way pass for that side. Make you see this a visit time. This one so where we did talk. Now road this, now road where people did waka. See how water is chopper. Water is chop the whole road. In fact, all man it did na inside door. This one of the go. This one na so for Douala for different angle two-way camera it reach for day. As it reach for day, it motor talk to the way did it. See even motor way man park for door. Water rain. He say na you get up. We take the eye, we work a certain, we go for sideway houses the day. How water enter for people in their houses, you go watch them, you see them, you don't know thing where we did talk for when this morning. We not go finish today. We go carry one the eye as I be go for fee for the water for we work angle to angle. We go show one. We'd like to hear a word from one of the father who is unable to come out this morning. Papa, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, how wanna sleep? You good?
The water is just too much water. You sleep but well, but the water disturbs you not to even step out of the house.
Yes, now the water is the over disturbed. How wanna they check for live with this kind of water with the picking them?
The problem we get them for inside here and I say the other bridge where they down the where they don't come for fish and they don't fish and find they block the whole place. Just give some small passes. That's come in this way. Only problem is that bridge down there because the bridge have put the pipe. They would have opened the road the way for the water to pass. When water even finish here, when it finish down there, water still remain here to pass very little on that place. That's our problem here. We don't have this type of water in this environment like this. For the last 15 years that we're here now.
For the last 15 years?
Yeah, we have never get this type of water.
Wonderful.
This is many places.
Thank you very much. God bless you. You told your name now.
My name is Sam Peter.
Oh, we thank you very much. God bless you. You pack the firehouse for good, we know it. Be correct for your test. You take them. If you not correct, you leave them. Because say, if you want to take house for landlord now, you know the kind of house where you take them. If not be so, you take house for dry season, for rainy season. With the one day when I say, wait till where with the show when I now so. We still try for losing that back where we carry capo for Mogamo people. We never losing them. We still try for losing them. When we were losing that back, at that time we will tell when if you get your occasion, where you want me to pass for the station, you make our know so that we will come for day, see how the occasion pass, we make them a pass for air. Occasionally they pass for air now, and the one the way we don't already cook them they done, and you with the center. Another thing where we go talk for we country people for Mogamo. We know say people that they expect say we will send other annual dances there. As they don't see this one the way we show them, I sure say they enter for one skin better way. People for Inyo, I see the way they enjoy. People for Guzang, they enjoy. But this time, we'll go for small short break. The short break, now say waiting. Some chibi dance a day for Bonaberi year, where more people the farm. If we go visit some site for that side for Pekka Katos, where if you go do wonders for them. I know what tell una plenty. I would like say when una go for fee, una go see them. Una go stay una 2 eye, una see them. We want them all man where they watch this station. Say if you be new man where you just come, where they now so this one where you dey see am now volume 33. If you feel go start for volume 1, you dey see am, you will enjoy what you the product where you will station and you produce am. Anyone where you watch am, you click for they say you like am. And some people them they don't know. Say that thing we call I say subscribe. You do subscribe now one time. Once you don't click that button say subscribe. Some bell in the show for corner. Click that one way it put on for day. That one I for sure say anytime when we send anything, me the bell it ring you say we don't send them, me you see them. But if you don't click your own, that bell no show, no problem. If you click them, say you don't subscribe, it show now say we send another thing. That will say subscribe with the talk now for people the way they never subscribe. You will if you don't subscribe, you don't need for still subscribe again. Now small thing that way we get them for explain them for one this morning. We still wait the people the way they sit there for back for can join we for this station for subscribe. Because when you subscribe now, the only way that way if you push we say more will go before. We want inform all we people the way that they see this with Tori House. Say for Wednesday, we as we also the worker now for go for Batibo, he go visit one woman where we see for day. Say that woman for a kind way where they do it in them. For a kind way he married, for the way he get Mogamo people for heart, one for year, Tori, for a mob, yes, accept. And this woman, no be other woman than, I think when I know you plenty. Na Madame Dr. Tebang. Ego Salona, now for year, we Tori, and for today. Meanwhile, I dey talk so my name for Pepper na Foncham Divine Bakwa. Business name na establishment Foncham and Sons Photo. Cultural name Mogamo Cultural Ambassador. Panabo name na Nick Njeko. Plenty people they want for hear this Panabo. Panabo for today it talk say waiting. He talk say, if he in the burn, you no go know, say chameleon, if he run, he pass antelope. This one na Panabo for Tori for today. If God agree, next week, Saturday, we'll take one. As we talk so, that Chibi people, they pinch me for back, say, they want to take ceremonial ground way, when I go see them, and when I go see her, it be pass. I said, that Chibi, wait till we are here, with you, your eyes see them, now two different things. Me, you stay for the station, but people, they want to stay for their first time, subscribe. People, they want to run see them, share, like them. If you see any small mistake, we will make them right way, so that meeting with Tori House it go before. Thank you now, plenty for watching. Bye bye. Next week, go there. Thank you.
demande à 3 heures. Celui qui conduit, 2 jours après, tu me demandes. Pardon, le reste là.